Hello everyone, welcome to the lab video series. In this video, I'm going to explain first experiment, that is create a Java program called student. After creating a student class, then create the members of the class called a USN, name, branch, phone number. After creating the members, then write a Java program to create n student objects. Means we need to create n student objects. After creating n student objects, we need to read information, USN, name, branch, phone number using those student objects, and we need to print information on screen. The Java program begins with a statement package that illustrates a project name or package name or folder name. The next statement in Java program is the import. Here we are importing java.utility.scanner. Here scanner represents a class. That class contains methods to read information from command prompt. After import statement, we need to create a student class by using a keyword class that is followed by a student. A student is the name of the class. Then a opening flower bracket. After that, we need to initialize the members of a student class. The first member is a USN. USN is a string, and declare a USN with public. Means we can access a USN anywhere in the Java program. After declaring USN, then next declare a name as a string with a public. Next declare a branch. After that declare a phone number. Here a phone number is long and declared as a public. Next, after that, create an object, a scanner object, uh, read information from a keyboard. Here, to create a scanner object, first I use a class name, a scanner, that is followed by object name in, that is followed by equal, then that is followed by new. New represents a creation of new object. Then that is followed by once again class name, a scanner. So inside scanner, we need to specify the system.in. System.in is a system call. This system call is used to read information from a command prompt. So after creating a scanner object, then next we need to create the methods of a student class. The first method we need to create is read. Uh, Read is not returning anything, so therefore declare read with data type void and declare as a public, so that we can access read anywhere in the program. So after uh, initializing a read method, inside a read method, we need to write a statements to read information from a keyboard. First, we need to read USN from keyboard. To read USN from keyboard, we need to use a scanner object IN. Here IN dot next line will read the USN from a user. Then we are storing a value in a variable or member USN. After reading USN, then next read name, by using scanner the input statement in dot next line. Here we need to use a next line method present in the scanner to read a string from command prompt. Next, after that read branch, then next read phone number. Here the data type of a phone number is long. Therefore, we need to use the scanner method next long to read a phone number from a command prompt. So in dot next long is used to read long from a command prompt or user. So next, after after writing a read function, then next we need to write a method display. In this, we need to write output statement. That output statement will print USN name, branch, and phone number of a student. Here, system.out.println is the output statement to print information on screen. Then, after creating a display method, then uh, close the class student class by using closing flower bracket. So this is about a creation of the members of a student class and methods of a student class. Next, uh, after that, we need to initialize the main class. Here a public class exp exp1 exp1 is the main class. Inside main class we need to write a main method. To write a main method, once again we need to use a public access specifier, public static wild main, a string args. This method we already discussed in the previous programs. So this is what the main method. From this point, the program execution starts. Next, inside main method, we need to create the n student objects. To create n student objects, we need to create an array of student objects. To create array of student objects, use class name that is followed by array name. St represents a student array. Then opening bracket, closing bracket, that represents a single dimension array. Equal to new a student of 10. This will create 10 student objects. After creating array of 10 student objects, then we need to once again initialize a scanner object to read a number of students from user. Then here use one printf statement to display information on screen, enter number of students. Then next use in1 scanner object and read integer from user and store in variable n. Here int n represents integer variable. in1 is what the scanner object. By using this in1, we are reading integer from keyboard. To read integer from keyboard, we need to use a next int function present in the scanner object. So next, initialize for loop starting from I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, up to I less than or equal to n. We need to execute this for loop. Here this for loop for reading each student information by creating one object for each student. Here first create uh, the student object by using class student st of I equal to new a student. This will create st student object. In the first iteration it will create first a student object that is represented by st of 1. In second iteration it will create a second student object that is represented by st of 2. Like that it will create totally 10 students if n value is 10. N value is 10. So based on n value we are creating student objects. Then next, after creating a student object, we need to read information for a student object. That is done by using read method present in the student class. Here st of I dot read will call a read method present in the student class, so that here we are reading USN name, branch and phone number. So after this statement we need to close for loop. Close the for loop. After reading all students information, or what the n student information, then we need to display information on screen. To display information on screen, first print the basic statements on screen by using system.out.println. Your first statement, student details, then print student system.out.println. Here USN, then two tab spaces, name, two tab spaces, then branch, two tab spaces, then phone number. Below this statement, we need to print the student information, means each student information. To print each student information, we need to consider for loop once again, starting from 1 up to n, up to n. Next, call a display function present in the class by using student object. Here st.I represents a student object. By using this student object, we are calling display function. So this will display the respective student information. In first iteration, it will display first student information. In second iteration, it will display second student information. Like that, nth iteration, it will display nth student information. So next, save the file. So this is what the program to read n student information and to display information on screen. And then click on run. Here asking enter number of students. Here I will enter 2. Then once again click on enter. Enter student 1 information. Here first we need to enter USN, then we need to enter name, later branch, phone number. USN name, branch, phone number. USN for GW 19 IS 001, name Raju, branch ISE, phone number 90 90. Next, second student information for GW 19 IS 002, name Ravi, branch IAC, phone number 9191919191 248 246 810. Then click on enter. Here student details, then name, USN, name, branch, phone number. Below that program printing the information of students. So this is about first lab program. Thank you.